big. What?
Look at that thing. Looking at me.
Is he?
Yeah.
Everybody thinks that he's looking at them.
Swallowed it one.
You'll be dead tomorrow. You can't swallow a bone that size and survive, can you?
No. I'm not eating.
He's been banned from KFC. They don't like it when they see that in there. It puts the customers off.
I'm not eating the bowl.
Really?
No, I'm not. Will it be? I saw it.
Tomorrow, you'll bring that bone back up. May even do it later this evening. There'll be no meat left on it. And it will absorb calcium from the bone and even marrow from it. The skin, the fat, the cartilage, that will all go, but the bone will come back up the way it went down.